It's time to level up. If you're still sanding, grinding, or chemical stripping your car restoration projects, catch up and start using the Dustless Blaster, the single best tool out there for automotive restoration. Remove paint, primer, rust, and even body filler in one simple step. Surface preparation doesn't have to be complicated. Sanding and scraping can scratch and scar your metal, and chemical strippers can create blisters under the finished paint. On the other hand, dustless blasting just leaves a clean metal surface ready for primer. Auto body shops and dustless blasting business owners have been using this abrasive blasting system to transform vehicles for thousands of customers. Body shops appreciate our machine's ability to switch between wet and dry blasting, giving them the ultimate flexibility to choose what's best for each project. And with our specially formulated rust inhibitor, you're guaranteed a rust-free surface for up to 72 hours. Stop holding your body shop hostage for days with old methods when you can be primer ready in hours by using dustless blasting equipment. This isn't just the better way to blast, it's the better way to do business. Say goodbye to the back-breaking, time-consuming methods of the past and say hello to dustless blasting, the future of surface preparation.